Welcome to BobCAD-CAM. If you haven't upgraded to the latest version for multi-axis machining, you're definitely missing out. Previously, you only had multi-axis roughing. Now, full multi-axis machining is available, including adaptive roughing for better tool life and control like never before. The new version also introduces finishing operations within multi-axis machining. Now you can finish the wall, floor, and even apply a rest finish, eliminating the need for multiple surface operations. Cut with precision using barrel tools and chamfer tools, now supported across multi-axis tool paths, including swarf machining. Our upgraded swarf machining now follows the actual tool shape and surface direction. No more limitations. With automatic tool tilt, your programs adapt in real time to avoid collisions, seamlessly integrated across all three Axis Pro operations. Automatic deburring is now built into the system. The software detects edges and automatically applies deburring tool paths, helping you finish parts faster and more consistently. The software also supports automatic indexing for 3+2 machining. No need to manually set up separate index operations. The system takes care of it for you. For the first time, BobCAD-CAM understands when you're cutting impellers or porting, saving countless hours of collision checks when using surface-based toolpaths. Mill turn capabilities are now included, allowing you to rough like a lathe using 4-axis operations, all in one seamless workflow. Still on an older version? You're leaving power and money on the table. Let's change that. Please send us your part, schedule a personalized demo, and get the most out of your software and your machine. We're here to help you unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.